People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about Prime Minister Andrew Holness and some things that him say. You might have seen it. Prime Minister, and this is Luke me I see it on, Prime Minister gives Chang top cop very good rating on crime management. And basically I say, they might do a good job. Now I talk to you now with Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Let me tell you now what I realize. Every time a little man try start something in Jamaica, the bigger heads them come and fight it out and take it over. You know what Andrew Holness is trying to do? We don't realize what going on. You know what he's trying to do? Take over the unicorn business. Prime Minister Andrew Holness see me a sell one and two unicorn and can't just leave me alone to prosper. No more run in and take over the whole thing. A unicorn them a try sell. When I get caught up in the titles them. When you see the titles on loop and green and I get caught up, when I realize a smoke screen, a smoke and mirror. A unicorn, next thing I go hear say, female unicorn, them grass fed, right? They get no injection, them they get no, they test them no hormones in them, right? For them more premium unicorns. A must unicorn. I could talk about it now. Prime Minister say him get Chang. That's Dr. Horace Chang. Not Chang we own the supermarket on the road where I live. Top cop, meaning the police commissioner, very good rating. Him go on to say basically, Jamaica is an extreme situation, extreme case. Normal, so normal things can't apply. And I say, let me read what I say first. Because sometimes the titles them kind of true. I can read what I say. You must say, based on what them I work with, him think them I do well. So I go tell you what I think about that. And I go give you an update. Right? I go tell you where how I look on certain roles now. How I look on a Minister of National Security. How I look on a police commissioner now. Right? Because we've been doing this for a longer time now and I have a better idea of how Jamaica really set up. But before I go any further, as you can see on the screen. Happy birthday Xavier. AKA Xavier roll like a boat. Long time Patreon supporter. Right, big up yourself, bro. Hope you have a great day. Right. Nobody get too crazy, because once you reach November and December, we're going on to the mad season. So enjoy yourself, but remember, right, things get spooky real fast. Alright, so bless up yourself, bless up your whole family, and thanks for the support. I think you actually have another Patreon birthday tomorrow. I don't know, we appreciate the Patreon squad. So big up yourself, bro. Alright, so we can move into the video. Let me tell you how me look upon a Minister of National Security now. And a police commissioner. Back in the day, it used to be real simple. For you go in and the numbers go over 1,000, then you don't know what you do. That's how I used to look on it. But then I look on it and realize, hold on, everybody carry over 1,000. You know how far back you have to go for Jamaica dip on 1,000 1 year. You know how far back you have to go, right? To find Jamaica go on 1,000 multiple years, back to back. That show me say, no matter how Minister of National Security change, no matter how Police Commissioner change, the numbers them not seeing a real difference. 1 year at 1,200, next year at 1,300, next year at 1,250, next year at 4. That's no real big difference. So that show me say the foundation shaky. That show me say, whoever become Police Commissioner, I go just go in there, smile 2 times, right? That's how time people make some little. Yo, that's why them need to give so them money commissioner, because you might just go in and go kill everybody and crime job. Complete rubbish. That's the kind of simpleton nonsense Jamaicans love for buy because it's easy for digest. Here is the reality. The foundation shaky. What is the foundation? For this context, legislation. Even if you were to say, because people tell me all the time, so people, what do you think about this? Marshall, like you was police. I couldn't know a single thing. You know why? Because the foundation shaky. And have all the ideas in the world. Right? Could be the greatest leader in the world. I could have deploy upon every ops with CTAC and SWAT team and JDF and CTAC. I could have deploy upon every ops as the police commissioner. It wouldn't make a difference. You know why? It wouldn't make a big difference. It wouldn't. Because the foundation shaky. After we hold on upon 87s then, what we are going to do? After we hold on upon sci-fi, J-Bad, bigger crime, what we are going to do? They might go to jail, get bail fast. Even if they get convicted, they might get a little light sentence, touch back the road. Until the foundation, the laws that are in place change, so that's when police actually hold on for man. Because if you ask people, let me tell you, say, enough of the man we talk about, police hold on for them whole heap of time. Spanish some people can tell you whole heap of time Sci-Fi get hold on for. Them hold on for Sci-Fi before him even become the menace, before him name strike fear in people's heart. Same thing for the Hadjis, all them people that they were hold on for him, let them go. Can't convict. So we need the better laws them, right? We need a better justice system. That's the foundation. Police can only hold on per man and lock them up. That's it. Top cop, police commissioner, the best tactics him can come up with is to hold on per man in the best way possible and make them go to station. Then what? Then them get Lego. Then them get bail. Or them get a little light sentence. So me I look on it differently now. Now I'm looking at the police commissioner job from the what, right? How are they developing the JCF? That is the job of the police commissioner mind. Make the JCF more professional, weed out the corrupt elements, right? Improve upon the units that they already exist, for example, CTAC, right? You know, we have the SWAT team, right? You know, you have the intel man them, you have the biker police them, excellent unit by the way. I already told them I'm a big fan of that unit. Right? The mobile police them, it need to get expanded. That's the job of the police commissioner. Make the JCF more professional, get out the units them, right? If you realize that this will work, improve on it. If that not work, cut back on it. Force out the little, cookie cops them or bring down the thing. That's if you think a police commissioner going to let's say our next commissioner get promoted tomorrow. If you think he might go in there and then next year crime will go drop to 500, buy my unicorn him. Don't buy the unicorn him and Andrew wants to try to sell him. It not gonna happen. I can assure you it not gonna happen. Jamaica's crime situation is unique. It is unique because when you look on other countries that have an extreme high murder rate, there's normally something that go on. For example, Venezuela, the country is destabilized. Them up Mexico, massive drug war. Jamaica, there is no reason why you can see within why Jamaica have so much murders. I'm telling you, culture and mindset, right? So the police commissioner job is to make JCF better. And up until the police, the biker unit, them come out with, right? I was thinking, here we go, another police commissioner, right? Bimber run for another 2 years, right? And then after them retire, them have big ideas. Cause so police commissioners work, When they retire, them have big ideas. When them actually in the work, they don't know. Because the ideas them go and leave. But when they retire, full of ideas. So this biker unit, the mobile patrol, the mobile police them, call a spade a spade. I give the police commissioner some credit for that. Very rare me see a unit form and me think, okay, that unit have big potential. Right. So make you answer him completely useless. Right. I'd be lying if I said that. Clearly, him can't get the numbers them down, but then when we up on the numbers, how far back I go at the same thing I see. So just like his predecessors, them can't bring on the numbers. But me need to at least to say, alright, that have the ability to make a change. And since the whole biker police thing, I figure man what he deserve. Right? He's not going to be receiving any Christmas cards from me, because even though I give him credit for that part, I still don't think JCF is taking enough steps to weed out the elements inside of the force that is downright crooked like the letter L. JCF need a purge, a corruption purge, big time. And them can talk all they want and put out the PR statements all they want, but until the people of Jamaica can trust JCF more, we're not going to go any further. The reason why the PIA excels, the reason why the PIA Special Ops excel is because people know 100%, so once them link up and certain things, it now go back to no gunman ears. That's not the case with JCF. The only reason why C4 and them witness the have Klansman and Sweat right now is because it's a unit like CTAC will look after them. because a Fitzbailey and the man that make sure say him and witness one actually get take care of. If certain police did have C4 and witness one under them, I guarantee you see them head in the River Kobe right now. Next thing, Minister of National Security. Legislation. Horace Chang cannot leave office, right, and tell nobody say him do nothing if we don't have a law for at least deal with gun trafficking, the importing of the illegal weapons in the country. If Horace Chang leave office because enough politicians go in there and it was an issue but true nobody never talk about it. Them go in there and them say, oh, nobody no notice that Jamaica on a law to deal with gun trafficking, even though most of the most of 87s oh nobody no notice, I'm gonna slide through, right, and then retire and go like me do something. Nobody talk about it. Dr. Horace Chang, it fall upon you. If Dr. Horace Chang left office before that law come in, he must be forever remembered as a failure. That's how it go. But fortunately for him, the bar is so low that if he bring it in while him in power, then he'll be remembered as the man who ushered in or helped usher in that law with the Justice Minister. That's how low the bar is in Jamaica. Right? That's how low the bar is in Jamaica. Bring a law upon the books to deal with. Right? Man will bring in much rifle in the country. And some serious penalties. That is considered success. The bar is extremely low. So I don't think that me really look for. None of your favorite leaders them, they know for fight crime. None of your favorite leaders, people only know what to do when they left office. I don't want you nothing from an ex-prime minister. Any prime minister who was in power and come out of power, right, without bringing in that law, any prime minister, let me make this 100% clear. Any prime minister who get in power and come out back before the DA hear this video, I don't take them seriously. I know that offend enough people. Because they're going to stay curious because that man did good and him did good and one time he see man him hug me up and give me something. I don't care. I don't care. Any leader of a country like Jamaica, like going on power and come out back and don't even bring in a law for deal with the country. But no, people must think to themselves, every video I mention that, yes, because it still blow my mind to this very day. So if you can't do something like that with some major and obvious, on to the minor things then, the laws them outdated. And PIA, big up on yourself. When you notice, everybody start talking about crime. Remember one time we first start deal with crime, PIA, remember what they used to say? Stop talking about crime, stop talking about crime, all they do is talk about crime. We remember that. But then, had maybe 3,000 subscribers or so. You know. Who you think you are? You think you know more than this and that? Talk about. They used to go out with my ding dong. PIA, remember them? Early PIA, original PIA, remember them people there? Used to love go out with my ding dong. Every time I make a video about crime, everyone come. When I talk about the good things them, like them a ding dong. Which good things? Right. How much good things you see? That's why we're no big friend from Morgan is, because enough of them people that through them realize that them not force me off of the platform yet, enough of them switch up now. Talk about big up yourself, sir. Yeah, we don't believe you. Jamaica's a place where picnic can't even play with a door again. When me a youth I grew up, could I play ball with a door, could I play little games them and then go in the yard. Enough community parents that lock up picnic in our house like say the picnic a jailer. Jamaican picnic grow like them a gunman. Picnic grow like say them a 87s. Jailhouse treatment. Go in the yard, go in the yard. We are here, sir. We are here, going to the yard. And them they like right at the gate. But for some communities, just standing at the gate means they might pick up a stray around. They come tell me about no good things then. Woman can't go for a jog at night time again. They come tell me about no good things then. People can't even wear them wedding ring without worrying about losing them finger. They tell me about no good things them. Pitney they like, come on man, don't get me charged up. Hundreds of Pitney. Much people a year time gonna miss, so we don't know one to them. Don't tell me about no good things them. Hit the dislike button and go on where you go. But I get down to the serious part. You see, when time you start see mainstream people start talk about updating laws and them thing there, you know, so we are starting to see little progress. Because these are the conversations we need to be having. The little fool conversation that we used to hear is one of the things that motivate me originally to start this movement. Because when I'm looking at the media, I be a little fool argument me used to hear. We need to just get the money for us come and just turn commissioner and shot everybody. And then 87 I got afraid. 87 I got so afraid that step now I got shoot nobody again. That was a talking point. Complete rubbish. I can see what he's saying. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, back off. Back off at the unicorn business. You don't have your Prime Minister already. Right? You know you get good salary and you have make the little man them get something to themselves. But I try running for my unicorn thing board. You know, good job and I wouldn't go that far. I would say I understand the talking points that is extreme and them quote unquote I do the best them can. Say that, but nobody come talk about no do no good job. Don't devalue the word good. That's not good. For example, if me drop in the water and me a butter and me can't swim, but me not drown yet, and you can't stand up on the sideboard, well he's doing a good job, he's still alive. No. So me a manage. So me a survive. When it's a good job. Right? I think of the wording throw off enough people. If they say, well, but then if they ask Jamaican what go and them say, well, me there, my G, me I go and hold it. That's what him should have say. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, when them ask him, what go on with crime, should I say, no, say, my G, me there, I hold it, you know. I go and hold it out, I tough it out. I think that would have triggered people less. But when people look around them, whether them the rural, whether them the uptown, whether them the downtown, especially downtown, and them see people that drop like fly in MC say funeral, every minute them have a new one, black suit and start make, them no one in front of the Prime Minister talk about no good job on crime. People look at like say, like you know, like you take the job serious. People look on it like if you carry a machine and you can't go mechanic and you say fix it, and him say no, and him say but me do a good job on it still, people are gonna get upset. So me understand. The unicorn them a try sell. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, don't matter if you say you, right, don't fall under what happened. I want to say about Minister Horace Strang, you know. If you left office and them laws are not updated either, you will go down as a top failure too. Just like oh many prime ministers never even address it, you address it, so you know about it, and your sister is an issue. Right? And remember what you said before you get in the office? People of Jamaica should speak up, right, and make it known say when government not do them job and not control crime, people should speak up and you say so. So, you know the problem, fix it. You have the power to fix it, you know. Turn up on press conference and say, well, this and that. Oh, alright, and then what? Fix it. The MPs them in a parliament can't fix Jamaica's laws. Stronger laws, a better JCF, a less corrupt, more competent JCF, then we'll start with some results. Anyway, let me leave this one for now because they don't know. If you go down a wharf for check out, you know, a new shipment of unicorn come in and we're just like come see that the Prime Minister go like him want to start the same business too. I don't know. If you go down and go paint them up and make sure say them look good. Right. Email, you know find me, right? It's not like a turk@gmail.com. Order yours today. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. We're live. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.